This question is about triangles, but I haven't drawn a triangle for you. You have to draw the triangle for yourself, which some of you are going to find tricky and some of you are going to be okay with. Remember, if you want early access to all the videos in my playlist, you can go there and find my book. Your square numbers are absolutely essential for this question. You cannot get away with not knowing your square numbers. They are so important. Here we have 3D Pythagoras. So a bit like your standard Pythagoras, we have a squared equals b squared plus c squared plus d squared, making a, our long diagonal, equal to the square root of 3 squared plus 4 squared plus 12 squared, which means it's equal to the square root of 9 plus 16 plus 144, giving us the square roots of 169. And you should know that the square root of 169 is 13. You should know your square numbers 1 to 13, 15 and 20 as a minimum.